Number 5. Craftsman Z5200, our find for best budget zero-turn lawnmower. If you want zero-turn agility without a premium price, the Craftsman Z5200 gives you fast, clean results on small to medium properties. You get a 42-inch stamped steel deck that balances coverage and maneuverability, so you can thread around trees and beds while still clearing broad stretches efficiently. The dual hydrostatic transmission pairs with lap bar steering for smooth, responsive control. Pivot, back up, and line up your next pass without wasting motion. Power comes from a stout 20-horsepower Kohler 7000 series twin-cylinder engine, built for reliable starts in hot or cold weather and consistent performance through thick grass. Traction gets a boost from 20x8 Turfmaster tires, helping you hold lines on gentle slopes and damp patches. With an included mulching kit, you can finish like a pro, recirculating clippings for a tidy cut and healthier turf. Comfort matters on longer sessions, and the Z5200 is set up to keep you fresh. 3 lap bar positions let you dial in the fit, while the high back seat supports your posture as you mow. The rugged alloy steel frame and 470-pound build speak to durability, and the gas-powered automatic operation keeps the focus on steering and cut quality, not shifting. Best for yards up to about an acre, this red, work-ready, zero-turn ride-on reduces your total mowing time and trims the labor it takes to keep your lawn looking sharp. Choose the Craftsman Z5200 if you want dependable power, nimble control, and a professional-looking cut at a budget-friendly price.